What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be real quick and easy. We're going to show you how to remove the door panel on a 2016 and up Kia Optima. First thing we need to do is we need to pry this plastic cover right here and then pry this rubber cover right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Once those covers are removed, you will see two Phillips screws right there. Remove those Phillips screws. With those screws removed, now it's time to pry this out of here. All right, well, you can do this no matter what order, but go ahead and get a tool so you can pry this out. Once this comes off, there's going to be a couple of clips in the middle one right there, so make sure you line that out. Once your two screws are removed, you are now ready to start prying and get the door panel off. We always suggest you start from the bottom. You can get something like this or a trim removal tool so you don't damage your door. All right, but this is basically how you do it. You pry something in here and then you pull. Once your clips are done, it's going to come all the way around. You have to lift up a little bit and pull out, and you will notice that all the wires are going to be connected. This is held in by three things actually. There's one thing coming out of here that's going to come onto your door latch, this thing right here. All right, so something's got to be plugged in here, but ours is in there anyways. Then you're going to have two connections. So if you look over here, you're gonna have to press on these tabs and pull out. There we go, just like that. And then the other one, same thing, push in and pull the tab out, and you will be free to remove your door panel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.